Good afternoon, students. Now today we are going to discuss about chapter 3rd B, uniformly accelerated motions. Module number 8. Now first of all, we are going to discuss about derivations of equations of motion by graphical method. Let us consider an object A moving uniformly. Let us consider an object A moving uniformly. With acceleration A. Let us consider an object A moving uniformly with acceleration A, going from A to B at time t is equal to 0. Velocity of object, that is u, initial velocity, after time t is equal to t second, after time t is equal to t second, velocity of the object that is v. S be the distance covered by object in given time interval t second. S be the distance covered by the object in given time interval t second. Now OA, which is equal to DE, that is equal to initial velocity. OC, that is equal to BE, that is equal to final velocity. OE, that is equal to AD, that is time taken by the object to move from point A to point B. Now, first of all, we will derive equation of motion. First equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at by graphical method. As we know, acceleration of an object which is equal to slope of velocity time graph in given time interval. Acceleration which is equal to slope of velocity time graph. Acceleration which is equal to slope that is equal to tangent theta that is equal to perpendicular divided by my base. BD divided by AD. BD can be written as BD BE minus DE upon AD, that is equal to OE. So acceleration denoted by A, BE final velocity, DE initial velocity, V minus U, OE, that is equal to time taken by the object t. Therefore, AT, that is equal to V minus U. V is equal to U plus AT. Now, second equation of motion. Yes, anyone? Second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square, where S is distance covered by the object in time interval t second, A be the acceleration of an object while going from A to B. T be the time taken by the object and u be the initial velocity of the object. As we know, distance covered by an object in given time interval which is equal to area under velocity time graph. Distance covered. Distance covered which is equal to area under velocity time graph. Distance covered which is equal to area under velocity time graph AB. This area can be divided into parts. First one, area of rectangle OABE plus second area of triangle OBD. ABD. Area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Area of rectangle that is OA multiplied by OE. OA multiplied by OE plus area of triangle that is equal to 1 by 2 base that is AD multiplied by BD. AD multiplied by BD. 1 by 2 base into height. OA U OE T plus 1 by 2 AD also T BD that is equal to BD divided by AD. BD that is equal to A into T. That is equal to UT plus half AT square. Second equation. Now, third equation of motion. V square minus U square that is 2AS. Area under velocity time graph which is equal to distance covered by the object in that time interval. So distance covered which is equal to area of trapezium. Distance covered S which is equal to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium means OABE. Area of trapezium 1 by 2 sum of parallel side multiplied by perpendicular side. Sum of parallel side 1 by 2 OA plus BE. Perpendicular side OE. From from this equation, acceleration that is equal to BE minus DE upon OE. Acceleration multiplied by OE that is equal to BE minus DE divided by A. OE which is equal to BE minus DE, BE minus DE divided by BE minus DE divided by A. Therefore 1 by 2 BE plus OE that is equal to OA that is equal to DE into BE minus DE upon A. BE plus DE, BE minus DE, BE plus DE, BE minus DE, A plus B, A minus B, A plus B, A minus B which is equal to A square minus B square. That is equal to 1 by 2 BE का square minus DE का square divided by A which is equal to S. So BE is equal to B, DE that is equal to B, DE that is equal to U. Now 1 by 2 V का square minus U का square divided by A. Therefore V square minus U square that is equal to 2AS. Now this is third equation of motion by graphical method. In next module we discuss about equations of motion by calculus method. Equation of motion by calculus method. Equation of motion by calculus method. Now first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. We know that acceleration that is equal to dV divided by dt. Therefore dV that is equal to A into dt. When t is equal to 0, velocity u. When t is equal to t second, velocity final velocity. Integrating this equation, integrating both sides, dv that is equal to A into dt. Putting limit u v 0 to t. Integration dv v u to v a t 0 to t. So v minus u that is equal to a t. So v is equal to u plus a t. Second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. As we know, v is equal to dx divided by dt. We know v is equal to dx divided by dt. dx is equal to v dt. dx is equal to v dt. We know that dx v is equal to u plus 8. Therefore, from equation first and second, dx that is equal to u plus 80 into dt. When time t is equal to 0 second, velocity u, displacement distance 0, time t is equal to t second, velocity v, distance s. Integrating equation third within proper limit, dx 0 to s u plus 80 dt u to v, x 0 to s u t 0 to t plus 1 by 2 plus a t square divided by 2 0 to s minus 0 u p minus 0 plus 1 by 2 t square minus 0. Now s is equal to ut plus of a t square. Now third equation of motion, v square minus u square that is equal to 2as. As we know, a is equal to dv divided by dt. Now multiplying and dividing by dx, multiplying and dividing by dx, dv upon dx into dx divided by dt, dx upon dt that is d, a dv upon dx into v. Now a dx that is equal to v into d. Integrating this equation within proper limits, then we get a dx 0 to s that is v dv u to v. Now a s minus 0 v square divided by 2 u to v, as that is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2, v square minus u square that is equal to 2as. This is third equation of motion. Thank you.